Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're upgrading an older gaming PC or building a high-performance DDR4 system, the G.Skill Trident Z RGB 32GB RAM kit is a memory kit that's definitely worth checking out. This kit comes with 32GB of total DDR4 memory, using two 16GB modules. For modern gaming and multitasking, 32GB provides plenty of capacity for running games alongside browsers, Discord, streaming software, and other applications. But there's more to this kit than just capacity. The memory is rated at 3,600 metric tons per second with CL18 timing, giving you a good combination of memory speed and latency for a compatible DDR4 desktop system. Pause. The kit also supports Intel XMP, making it easier to configure the memory at its rated performance profile on compatible motherboards. And if you're building a gaming PC where appearance matters, this is where the Trident Z RGB name comes in. The modules feature customizable RGB lighting, allowing you to match the RAM with the rest of your gaming setup and create a more personalized PC build. The memory operates at 1.35 volts and uses standard UDIM desktop memory, so compatibility is primarily aimed at compatible desktop systems rather than laptops. Pause. One important thing to remember before buying is that this is DDR4, not DDR5. That means you need a motherboard that specifically supports DDR4 memory. DDR4 and DDR5 aren't interchangeable, so always check your motherboard specifications before purchasing. Also, the advertised 3,600 metric tons per second speed depends on your CPU, motherboard, BIOS settings, and memory profile. You may need to enable XMP to reach the rated speed. For a compatible DDR4 gaming system, however, this configuration makes a lot of sense. You're getting 32GB capacity, 3,600 metric tons per second speed, CL18 timing, XMP support, and RGB lighting in a well-known G.Skill Trident Z series. It's particularly appealing if you already have a DDR4 motherboard and want to increase memory capacity without replacing your entire platform. Overall, the G.Skill Trident Z RGB 32GB DDR4 3,600 metric tons per second kit is a strong option for gamers and PC builders who want a combination of performance, capacity, and RGB aesthetics. If you're still running DDR4, this could be a very practical upgrade for your gaming or productivity PC. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more PC hardware reviews. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, hey guys,